10, 9, 8. Oh, there's like 35 seconds left.
I'm hiding behind this book over here.
Good luck. I need to get to the banana.
What type of banana?
What?
Bro, you know you just could have ran over here.
What? What the?
Did gravity just break?
I think it did. Yeah, it never checks here, so this should be easy.
Move it.
I can't move it, dodge.
It's in the way.
Huh? Whoops, oopsies.
Yo, bro, I'm in a secret spot. Nobody can find me. Ha 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 ha. Cool.
Do you know it checks always there?
What?
Yeah.
If it checks over there first, I'm going to scream. Like how bad I scram when. What? It's time to get Swifty!
Swifty! Look, guys, I'm like literally. Oh my! I'm just kidding. No, I'm just spectating it. Here. Oh yeah. Park Ranger Nico Kato Avocado reporting for duty, sir. I didn't sleep all night, so my eyes kind of look like this. Who the?
Wait, I know who you got inspired to make that avatar.
Who?
You know it. It's Creek Crab.
Oh my God! How did you find out?
You know that. You were watching one of his videos and you're like, oh wow, this avatar looks cool.
Nah, bro. This is Sigma's avatars.
Bro, why is he going up and down?
Hey, yo! What do you mean by that?
What? Don't you go up and down on a trampoline?
Don't you go up and down on the bed? What? Why did you say that?
Why did you say that?
Why did you say that?
Velociraptor.
Oh, yeah.
Across the room. I'm gonna run to it.
You know you have to, like...
To make it Swifty. I literally jumped and
I
then...
swear to God, if he's gonna...
Is he coming up there?
Yeah, he's coming. He's coming, alright.
He's coming up there?
He's coming up the ladder. He's gonna find you. You better
No,
run.
he isn't, you absolute dumb. Oh, this person just found their doom. Man, my guy's a little NPC, I'm not gonna lie. Bro, he was right in front of him. Man, he can't even... Bro, my guy must be playing on a computer on his first day. I'm not gonna... Bro, it's about time. Get good at the game, kid. Because it's peanut butter gelatin, peanut butter.
It's the most beautiful thing I seen in my life. It's a banana. But next to the banana.
Here,
Take some tips.
keep the change.
I want some ticks.
Takes these.
Ooh.
How did you get over here? You know he's coming. He's right over there.
Yeah, right.
Here,
Take a high.
keep the change.
Thanks.
Go get it, dog.
Whoa.
Here,
I don't bark for
keep
you.
the change.
Keep the change.
You filthy animal. Oh, it's about time. He's probably gonna fall off the ladder in a few seconds. He fell off.
Bro. Nah, bro. First time playing.
Here,
POV NPC.
buy yourself some talent.
Money?
Here,
Okay.
keep the change.
It's the famous text.
I can't grab it.
Because it's not real. Because we use
Here.
Roblox.
Go buy a nicer
How
hat.
could you? How could you change it? Text was the godly thing.
Here, buy yourself some talent.
Can you shut up? We're trying to hide here. Oh yeah, there's only like 5 seconds left.
Here, that's what you're worth.
Yay!
I'm not gonna lie, she was kind of an NPC. Okay. What do we have? Okay, and...
What is it? Come on, what is it?
It's a Chopapi room.
Nah, bro. 6.67. Yeah, maybe I could be coming in. Hey, yo, 6.9%. Whoa.
Oh no, I almost became it.
Oh my god. Go.
Run.
What? He left.
What the fudge? Go to.
Oh, yeah.
Well, that's a free win. Let's see.
Let's do it. What?
I think I have a good idea where I'm gonna spawn.
Where?
Please not be it.
I don't want to be in.
I have a 5% chance.
I have a 7.50% chance. Damn! She must have 100%. If they leave, I will scream. Go, 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 go. Bye. Go, 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 go.
Here. That's what you're worth.
Bye.
Here, that's what you're worth. I have my cute little Doge following me.
Shut up. Not kidding. Dude, there's a taco truck outside.
You can't go outside.
Wee. Yes, I've managed to get it.
I'm going in the vending machine.
In the vending machine? Where is it? Oh.
And there's only 20 seconds. So I bet I have high confidence you're screwed. Now let's see. It's perspective. AKA POV.
Wait, did you go in here?
No, I went in the other one.
Just in time, like just in
I'm in the first row.
In the first row?
Yeah.
I'm stuck in Biloxi Colas. Where are you? I don't see you. Bro, that's our little a little horror movie. The baby.
I think I better equip my golden Doge.
Why is that?
Cause he's golden, and he's a Doge, and he's yellow.
He's coming our way right now. Oh, no, he's going further.
Oh wait. Okay, he's going farther and farther. He's like 540, 50 cents away.
I'm right now spectating him. He's near the.
He's near the champagne bottle.
How do you know I was gonna say that?
You were gonna say champagne?
Yeah.
I wonder what that is. It's not champagne, actually.
Oh, Roblox wouldn't allow that.
Ultimate Epic Sauce Juice.
Jinx.
Man, you failed it. Well, somebody screwed.
Oh.
Somebody screwed.
They just... bad. Man, I just feel bad for this
Well,
guy.
I bet he's screaming right now.
Bro, he would be in pain right now. Why do I live? Just to suffer.
Who invited this kid? Look at my awesome trail, guys. Yeah, I'm just kidding. It's not me.
Boing, boing, boing. How am I currently spectating it? That makes no sense. He's not a clown.
You got me right there. You didn't. I bet he must be in pain right now.
I'd feel so.
Whoa! What is that number?
9/11.
Ah!
We all die.
I bet he must be in pain right now.
I'm just gonna.
He just tried to get this one girl, and then he's like,
Bro, who the heck is this?
huh? There's someone in a machine?
Bye.
Nice.
He died. He died as 9/11 expected him to die.
Wait, POV short horror movie.
Where are you? I can't see anywhere. I'm scared.
What's up, motherfucker?
And that's how the movie ends. With a simple
Nico Cotto eats Takis.
spectator. Man, he finally gave up on that. Or did he? Wait, I think he got her. No. It's either a he or her. Dude, what is that? Witch sauce?
Whoa. It's witch brew. Yo!
He's coming to us. Yeah, that girl survived. I would have been hiding there.
No. Bro only freaking found like 7 players, I think.
We found many OP spots.
And never let them know your next move.
Should we hide in the oven and burn ourselves alive?
Oh god, I have a really high chance of being here.
Me too.
Shut up.
Oh god. Dude.
Oh!
Right next to me.
Why the no?
Run.
I'm probably gonna be running for that. Cause my golden doge sparkles. And that's gonna give out all. So I would rather hide alone if I were you.
Yeah, no. I'm hiding with you. I'm scared.
Why?
I'm scared.
And or comfort.
And who asked for you? Oh crap.
And you cashed my coins.
Oh no.
What?
What the?
They had to. Now let's select the map.
No, you can't. You can't. Too late.
I'll be able to.
Oh crap.
Well, I have a 12 point. It's gonna be me.
Hurry up, choose something, not us, not us.
Oh my god, that's like 1 player away from me.
It's 2 players away from me. Why is everybody leaving?
Why is everyone leaving? They just don't want to be it.
Bro, they're just giving us free credits. We do the ping pong store. The arcade. I don't know if they have any good stuff.
The attic has lots of good stuff.
Oh crap! I got a big
sugar.
What type of sugar? No!
Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Jinx.
Mayonnaise,
lettuce.
Oh, you failed. You failed.
Okay, remember this: mayonnaise, lettuce, mustard, ketchup,
Okay.
milk.
We gotta.
Brett.
Okay, I'm gonna be at the ladder. And finally, it's about time you get muscles, Jack.
Nah, bro, I have muscles inside.
What type?
My Among Us muscles. Pew, 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 pew. Gobble.
Gobble gobble.
Doge is looking up into heaven.
Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun.
I don't know if I should be hiding here.
Dude, I see like 5. I see some pipes. 5 pipes.
What kind of pipes?
The pipes that you use.
Whoa!
See, look at those pipes.
Oh yeah, I can see now. Those.
I'm standing on the other side. Legma.
Oh, you dare me?
If you do it. Yeah, he's down there. Did I tell you? I did mention that.
Alright, yeah, I think I can know that.
Why are you always eating broccoli? Nobody likes you if you do.
Oh my god. I might actually survive. Your 2 people have already been found in chat.
Here, keep the change.
Rating ticks.
I can't move it.
I can't move it.
Here,
I
keep the
see, I
change.
can't move it. My text friendly. What? He's getting closer. He's getting closer. He sees my sparks.
Sparkling water. Yo, bro, what's up?
Yo. I was 8 once, and then these people like hid here, and I was like, maybe I should do that. So yeah, I did. Oh
No.
no, you gotta go to the other.
Wait, did he make it?
No, he didn't. You gotta go to the other side.
Wait, dude. We can hide in the those. Just follow me.
No,
Yes.
he's right down there.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's right over. He's kind of he.
No, he's nothing. Bro, he's up top.
Oh god.
So, what's that? How about not following me?
Oh, there he is. Oh.
Okay, he's an absolute idiot.
I no offense, bro, but yeah, no offense, bro, but yeah.
I almost died.
The sparkles on my golden doge like kind of give everything out.
That's why you don't choose it. Thumb nut. You knew you thumb nut.
Oh god.
He sees you. He sees you when you're sweeping. Wait. Did you know Santa Claus is the biggest robber ever? No, I'm not lying. He's the biggest robber ever.
I know, like he breaks into your house, but the good thing is he leaves you presents.
But
nah, he's gonna do my trick. Like when I was there, I would get onto the ladder, and then I would try to jump onto the light bulb, which it would not work, cause yeah, you can't jump.
idiot.
Nah, bro, gives up.
The thing is, he's been going near the pool table, so I'm kind of scared.
He's getting close. No, he's not.
I'm spectating him, but yeah, I made it. Bro, is it just me or
I could just jump off from now. He's over there.
Bro, I'm not the only one who thought this was a good idea. He just went AFK. I see you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're.
No.
Man, what a goofy ass. Dude, I got 69 coins.
Hey. Again? No!
Dude, I got a 14 chance.
I got a 16 chance. It's probably gonna be me.
It's either you or me. Just imagine it's the elf girl again. Oh crap, it's... No! Poor Jack. Well, maybe this is the last round for the video.
Yeah, guys. I'm a Yeti. Can I chat?
Can you Yeti? Wait, can you get? Can you get people?
Oh, come on. I'm a Yeti. I'm addicted to Frozen.
And you may be frozen, but you're a furry as well. You were gonna leave, weren't you? Wait. Whoa, whoa.
You got almost 10 seconds to hide.
I know you know where I'm at. I know that you know that I know that I'm moving, but that you know that I'm moving, but I'm really not moving.
I can't wait to move. After all these years. I'm coming for you, Noah.
At the bicycle?
No, you're not at the bicycle.
Where am I then?
I'm not gonna say it. I just got to check. Come here. Come on.
That's actually pretty good. You said I'm not there, but I could be there. But you... I know you're just trying to aim for me, aren't you?
No.
I bet you someone's on the pool table. I'm not gonna lie.
Look at the bacon. Look at the bacon.
I'm just watching you try to kill him. You know where I am now. Jeez Louise, you have a sprint?
Yeah.
You have a 2x speed?
Yeah. Oh my god, bro.
POV, the McNuggets.
Bro, I want to commit suicide.
Dude, I just saw you going after a girl.
Oh yeah, they can't move.
You evil bastard.
You went up here. I just know. And then you jumped on here. Probably not in the cup. Okay. And...
This is technically spectating you, I'm not lying. Bro, my guy tried to do an emoji pull-ups. You can't move it anymore.
I can't move it anymore. Nice work off the ladder. And maybe jump on the pool table.
No.
Come here! Yes! Come here!
Jack!
Come here!
Jack! No! I can't move it anymore. Okay, that was funny.
I saw a girl at the pool table, so maybe I'll go there.
Are you finally getting to get some girls? Or you just
Wait,
kill
what
him?
if someone's in the chest? Touche.
Well, he's not gonna move it anymore.
No. That truck is too old now.
We'll go back to spawn. Well, I can't move it anymore. So wait, I think I can spectate. Someone's at the pool table.
Yeah.
2 people are at the pool table.
Inside,
Yeah.
they're gonna die. But they don't know that.
They don't know. They technically have aimbot.
Bird's gonna do.
Idiot. Okay, and the second one, well, he's jumping down. He's on the ladder.
He's gonna go on the pool.
He's on the. Here. He's on.
Yeah.
You can watch my screen. He can't move it anymore. And the last one is well, at
I don't honestly
He's at-
give. I don't honestly give. Yeah, I don't care.
he can't move it. He's at the book. He's at the bookshelf area. You're not gonna make it.
Yeah, I'm not gonna make it because I'm too drunk from all that chasing.
What do you mean
Oh,
you're drunk?
someone could have hid here. Damn.
I would have hit there last game.
Oh. Well, guys, that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure don't forget to like, subscribe, and that will really help the channel. Bye!